going to say about Ansible configuration management and automation tool. Ansible is an open source automation tool like used to create server configuration, application deployment, and infrastructure management. It is developed and maintained by Red Hat. Ansible works across Linux, Windows, and cloud environments. It connects to Linux servers using SSH and Windows servers using WinRM without installing agents. Why Ansible? Before Ansible, admins configured servers manually. This causes human errors, inconsistent environments, and configuration drift. As infrastructure grows, scaling manually becomes difficult. Ansible solves this problem by automating and standardizing configurations. Key features of Ansible. Ansible is agentless, so no software is required on target servers. It is used ML, which is simple and human readable. It is idempotent, meaning running the same playbook multiple times won't break the system. It allows a push based model where the control node pushes configurations. It also has a large large community and many ready-made modules. Architecture of Ansible. Ansible follows a simple architecture. The control node is where Ansible is installed. Manage nodes are the target servers. The inventory contains the list of servers. Playbooks define what tasks to run and modules to perform the actual work. Inventory and playbooks. Inventory defines which server Ansible manages. It can be static or dynamic in cloud environments. We can define variables per host or group. Playbooks are written in YAML and describe the desired system state. Tasks execute sequentially on hosts, ensuring repeatable automation. In real world DevOps, Ansible is used for server provisioning, application deployment, and patch management. It integrates with CI/CD pipelines and automates cloud infrastructure, making deployment fast and consistent. For example, like deploying the same application on 50 servers using one playbook. Thank you.